So the batter is pretty simple. It's a mix of maida, corn flour, red chili powder, pepper, and salt, and a bit of cumin powder. That's it. Okay, and you mix the gobi along with the batter. So before you mix the gobi, you will have to clean the gobi well. Put it in a hot water along with salt. Drain it completely using a vessel like this, and then you mix it with the batter. Okay. To make things faster, I've already chopped onions, finely chopped, a bit of bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, and some garlic as well, and coriander also chopped, and ginger. I have some red chili sauce as well. So I've kept the sauce ready, and that's about the ingredients. So once you mix the batter along with the gobi, so keep it aside for a few minutes, and then we are good to go. So you need to heat oil in a pan. Start frying the gobi. Keep it in a medium heat. Do not over fry it. It has to be slightly dark red, not very dark, otherwise you lose the taste of it. You can slightly stir it so that they all don't stick to each other, as our gobi manchuri has to be in pieces, not stuck to each other. It's getting fried. We can sense the aroma of the gobi coming in. But do not over fry it. It has to be fried a bit so that it's crispy, but ensure that you do not make it very dark. So just stand there right near the stove, take it off while it's fully fried. So I think it's fried, a bit crispy. It's quite crispy actually. So we will be taking it off. So we'll be preparing sauce now. All the gobi has been taken out from the pan, and I've retained some oil. Now we'll be preparing the sauce. So first thing that goes is onions. We have the onions in. Allow it to fry almost golden color. Just after 2 or 3 minutes, then some ginger and garlic that we have finely chopped. So we'll be taking ginger and the garlic, adding some ginger garlic. Sense nice aroma coming in as you add in the ginger garlic. So I put a bit of more onions actually, because I like onions to be more in my dishes. But if you do not prefer so much of onions, then you can reduce it actually. We will not have so much of onions actually. There goes some bell peppers. Sort them well. bit of salt, because we have already mixed salt in the batter that we mixed and fried the gobi, so keep it a little minimal, do not add too much of salt. And now one of the most main ingredients for preparing the sauce, that will be the soya sauce. So we'll add some soya sauce. Then finally we can add some chili sauce. Already good nice aroma is already coming out. There you go, you have a good sauce that's already being prepared to mix your gobi along. So you can have the gobi in two ways. Either you can have it fully dried, or you can have it like a gravy. So both ways are good. Gravy is more tasty and most preferred by people. Dried is also good. So as you prefer, you can keep the gravy a bit watery, or you can make it fully dry. So your preference completely. Now we'll be adding the gobi. Add all the gobi that you have. So the gobi is added. Now we need to give it a good stir. Mix it well along with the sauce that is prepared. So since now I have stirred it completely, so the final step would be to add freshly chopped coriander. So that would add more flavor to the gobi. So your gobi is almost ready. Give it a quick stir, and after which you can serve it. And once you serve, you can shower more of coriander while serving. Okay. Now give it a quick stir. So there you go, fresh gobi manchuri prepared right from our very own homes. Fresh, clean, and very tasty. So you gotta start tasting it, and don't forget to shower some onions on top and coriander as well, so it will enhance the taste more. There you go, very juicy and tasty gobi manchuri is ready. And chili sauce, while eating, some chili sauce has to be there. So we're going to taste it now. So we're going to taste it now. It's damn good. It's very crispy and it's very tasty. It's very yum. So do try it at home. Do not go outside. Do not buy anything from outside. Also, Bangalore stands third position in the number of positive COVID cases. So do not eat outside. Prepare right from your very own homes. Safe and very hygienic. Good.